you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. And you saw my video about the Big Mac meal that did the Grinch meal and how many calories is in it? Or just a regular Big Mac meal? If not, take a look. Yeah, so we're gonna create our own Big Mac meal, our way, and healthy yet still very tasty. So welcome to You Deserve a Break today at Uncle Chris's. Come on, let's get started. I've got 2 real hamburger patties here. They have not been chemically treated. I'm gonna put them on our grill. Yes, we're grilling ours, not just frying them, but grilling them. All right, I'm gonna let these grill. Now while those are grilling, I'm gonna set up our secret sauce, our Big Mac sauce. These are coming. I've also chopped up some fries. Did you know that an order of fries is about a 1 potato, which is about 10 cents, and how much do they charge for you? Okay, so we're gonna make our own Big Mac sauce. It's easy. It's just equal parts mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, and in this case I'm using a honey mustard. And some relish. A little bit of a taste. That's it. I want a little bit more ketchup. That's just to my taste. Boom, boom. Yep. Got it. We're going to set that to the side. Let's start on these French fries. Since the oil is very hot, let's slowly put in our fries. While the fries are going, I'm going to put some sweet and savory seasoning on my burgers to give them a more grilled taste. This has a low sodium content. Our burgers are doing quite well. And grilling them, by the way, cuts at least half the fat. Our burgers are done, so let's add our cheese on top. And our cheese is actually going to be melted. Let me grab these fries. Look at our fries. Nice. Now, I'm going to add some garlic powder to our fries, and guess what? I got something McDonald's doesn't. Garlic fries. Although these could be considered Grinch fries, right? Because they had a Grinch Big Mac meal. I'm also going to add some black pepper. Our fries are done. Let me set up our burger. I couldn't find Big Mac buns, so what I'm going to do I'm going to use a regular bun and the bottom of another one. Uncle Chris is kookaloo, but that's okay. It works. Now, burger one. We're going to put a pickle on that, another pickle, some onions. I don't have any shredded lettuce. I'm sorry. I'm going to put some Big Mac sauce on both sides of this bun. Some there. Get our other burger. Put that there. Get some more mac sauce right here. Another pickle. Some onion. And top it. Ha ha. Let's put our fries. Shake them up to mix the seasoning. Put them on the side. Oh, I know what you're saying. Uncle Chris, what about the shake? Well, first I'm going to put in some real frozen strawberries, not some processed strawberry something, some sugar, because that's what I have. Just enough to come even with the strawberries. Then I'm going to blend it. All right. Now, fill up our glass with our strawberry shake made with real strawberries. There you have it. A real Big Mac meal made for pennies on the dollar. Ah. Nieces and nephews, look, a Big Mac and fries. Oh, I gotta try the fries first. And no sodium. Shake. Oh, this is truly a nice meal. And my Big Mac is definitely bigger than theirs. Or get this. Oh. That sauce with the seasoning I put, that is kicking butt. Remember, you don't have to go out to have a great meal. And for what we saw in that video, whoa. So check this out. The Big Mac meal, 500 grams of milligrams of sodium. And, oh my goodness, over 2,000 calories of fat. The calories in this one, 600. Wow, how about that? And the sodium, less than 600. How about that? Now, like, comment, subscribe. This is a collaboration I am doing with this lady right here. Simple Meals by T-Vlog. I always mess that up. Okay. Yes, Simple Meals by T-Vlog. She is a great cook, and you see what she's doing on her channel. We are showing you how we can do fast food, still enjoy it, but make it at home, make it healthy, and save some money. When you go out to McDonald's for 2 people, you're going to spend $30. I guarantee it. See if I'm wrong. Write to me, Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef at gmail.com. Let me know in this collaboration if there's another fast food place that you'd like me to redo or dupe. Even after the collab is done, I'll still do it. Okay? All right. Tomorrow's going to be a surprise. Big love from Uncle Chris, and I have to leave you in anticipation. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Every